Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust gestures of your HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i. First of all, just open this charging case to be connected with your Huawei AI Live application, then select your device, and then you have to scroll down and find gestures. As you can see, we can find double tap, press and hold, and swipe. Right now, on the double tap, you can answer or end a call or switch to none. With a double tap, you can also play or pause music, but you can also turn the next song, previous song, wake the voice assistant, or just turn off this action. It works the same for the right one. When you switch for the press and hold, you can reject call. On the left and the right, you can simply find this function with the noise control. But when you switch, you can also identify song. And it only works on the Huawei devices with this Emotion MIUI 11.0 or the latest software. So that's how we can switch it. On the swipe up, you can simply adjust the volume. And right here you can make the changes. As you can see, that's very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.